Okay, in this next problem, we're going to be dealing with ratios that have variables in the numerator and or denominator. So remember that the arc cosine of a ratio is an angle. So once again, we're looking for the tangent of theta. So the tangent of theta is going to be the opposite side over the adjacent side. Well, arc cosine of a ratio, that ratio, if I put this over 1, is going to be the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So we know the hypotenuse is 1. I know that the hypotenuse is 1, sorry about this, and the adjacent side is x minus 1. So I'm going to have the opposite side, remember the opposite side, here we go, let's do this way. The adjacent squared plus the opposite squared equals the hypotenuse squared. So the opposite squared is going to equal the hypotenuse squared minus the adjacent side squared. So the opposite side is going to equal the square root of the hypotenuse squared, which is 1, minus all of the adjacent side squared. That's x squared minus 2x plus 1 when we expand it out. When I subtract, I'm going to get 1 minus 1 cancels out, and I get negative x squared plus 2x. So here's the square root of negative x squared plus 2x. The tangent of theta is going to be opposite over adjacent. So the tangent of theta is going to equal the square root of negative x squared plus 2x over x minus 1. No need to rationalize the denominator because the denominator is already rationalized.